Sometimes you'll have an area that you just want to repeat. So I'll tap into edit mode and we'll use a little bit of HardOps for this. So I will just go under circle and we'll just quickly convert this to a circle, and I'll press E to extrude and scale, and we'll rotate it slightly, and E to extrude and scale, and we're just rolling this out till it's about smooth, and we'll sharpen it. And we see that there's a few edges that we probably want to sharpen up, so we'll go ahead and sharpen those. And this is what we're looking at so far. And we'll grab these edges that are marked in red, kind of trailing the circle in the most important areas, and we're going to just bevel them. You know, I was going to unmark them and bevel them, but it's probably easier for us to just bevel them. In fact, I'll put a couple of loops in between just so it looks completely smooth. And that's a shape right there that normally you wouldn't want to have to model about 50 times. In fact, I would only want to model that maybe one more time. So I'm actually in line box at this time, so we're just going to jump over and bring this down, press Y to grab this. And now that we've grabbed this, we can reach on this face and just pull this shape out, all proportional, all perfect. In fact, we see that the rim was the only part that was a little bit problematic, so let's try this again. And we probably just want to pull it in just a little bit deeper, maybe slap it with a weighted normal. And we see that we were able to bring it in, however it was just a little bit too deep there. So let's try it one more time, and then we slap it with a weighted normal, and now we're good to go. And the best thing about BoxCutter, of course, is that by control double clicking, you can just repeat what you just did. So you can repeat this shape over and over and over, of course, to your heart's content. In fact, we can just completely delete this shape altogether, bring out another shape, and just control double click to just continuously place this however many times is needed. Of course, with the bevel lip at the very top, we probably would have been better to not include that for this particular extraction. However, I just want to show how easy it is for you to be able to model something into a mesh, extract it out, and then repeat it over and over with Custom Cutter, which after an extraction, you automatically jump over to Custom Cutter. And the best part about this update is that if we were to just jump over to Box, we can just perform a extraction downward, you know, not even worried about the other side. And then if we draw our shape, but we hold shift, we're actually drawing out the shape proportionally to the way that we extracted it. So it's basically a one-to-one extraction, at least on the X and Y at this time. Z support will be coming soon.